everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. Today, we are going to be helping you learn how to change your name on Call of Duty Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you launch open the Call of Duty Mobile application on your mobile device. Once you're signed into one of your accounts, from the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, select Basic from the left-hand side corner. You will be able to see your profile information. Tap on the little pencil icon right next to your name and write down your new name you would like to change to. In order to change your name, you will need a rename card. Changing your name will cost you a rename card, so if you don't have a rename card, you can go ahead and purchase a rename card from the in-game store. Finally, after you are done entering your name, tap on Change, and that is how you can easily change your name in Call of Duty. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.